Okay guys, welcome one more time again. How you doing? So today we are going to learn how to calculate profits on Excel. And today I'm going to use a very simple one. It's going to be a very simple one, but more inspirational and more educative. So now let's write on over it. Now today we're going to talk about a snail company. They import snails, yes. So we're going to look how we're going to calculate what their sales inventory, their revenues. Okay, now they say number one, say calculate what the total sales made in euros. Now we're going to calculate total sales. Now we'll come over here. Now we're going to put sales revenue. Okay, so after that, now we're going to how to calculate sales revenue. Multiply your price per sack times your quantity. That means the price for one sack and the quantity that you made. So this gives us this. Okay, so you can actually zoom in, you can actually pause, you can actually play to see what to do. Okay, now calculate equal to again. Now we're going to put this price, this one which is for Germany, multiply by the sack, number of sack that were exported. Now there's something in Excel I want to make you know that in case you have done the formula, you want to copy and paste it to the other ones, you can actually come here, left click and drag, and you will see the answer will be copied to other parts of your work. Okay, let me zoom this a little bit so you can see it. Perfect. So let's go to next. What is the next one? They say the next one says total cost incurred. Total cost what incurred. So let's calculate total cost incurred. Very simple. Now when we come here, we say costs incurred. Okay, so cost incurred, very simple. Just put your equal to sign, the cost per sack multiply by the quantity of the sack. Mean that how much it costs them to make one sack. For Britain is 2,000 euros. Then solve for the next one too. The cost per sack multiply by the quantity, you get that. So for you to get the answer of that one, just left click and drag over. Good. So then the next question, let's see what next question asks us. Say calculate the profit per sack in euro for each country. Now me profit per sack in euro. Now how do we get that? In Excel, we have to look at the individual sacks. What is the profit on one sack? So profit per sack. So we're going to come here, we're going to put equal to profit per sack, which that means the price per sack minusing your cost per sack. That means the price you use in selling one sack minus the price used in manufacturing one sack. Mean that whatever they sell the sack minus whatever they use in providing the sack. Okay, so I'll press my enter so that I give that 7. Next, the same thing too, the price per sack minusing the cost per sack. Do you see that now? So I'm going to left click and drag this all over to get it. Okay, so let's go to next question. Next question says calculate total profits in euro for each country. So each country has a profit, right? The whole sales. Let's calculate the total. So going to be what? Let's go over to Excel. It's going to be sales revenue. This total sales revenue minusing your cost incurred. Total sales revenue minusing your cost incurred. So with total sales, total profit mean total profit realized will be what? Equal to sales revenue minusing your cost incurred. You press enter. So this is how you calculate what your total profit for that country. So you can come to this filler point here, left click and drag over. Wow, nice. So guys, please, if you know you have started getting value from this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and drop your comments, because it's very important. Because once I see your comments, I'll know how to make the video better. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, so now let's see what again we are being asked to do. Now they say that convert all your calculations in euro to naira. Convert all your calculations to euro to naira. So we having exchange rate is what? 550 naira to 1 euro. That means 1 euro is equals to 550 naira. At this time they were giving us this analysis to do. So let's go back to Excel and see how we can convert our calculations all to naira from euro. So I will explain it all. So now we'll come here and say to naira. Okay, so I will highlight over here and just merge and center, and then I'll scroll down a little bit. Okay, now I'll highlight this one and I will all borders to make it look more presentable. Now I will collect all our subheadings here, Ctrl C, and I will paste them here, Ctrl V. Okay, so that is that. So now let us convert all these answers now from euro to naira. How do we do that? Now, starting from the sales revenue, I'll put my equal to sign. I'll click on this sales revenue here. I'll multiply it by what? 550. Press enter. Wow, wow, wow. This is that very easy. Go to the next one too. Take that, multiply by 550. Good, good, good. And now for us to get to that one, you know what to do now? We'll come to this filler handle here, left click and drag over. Sweet as that. Can you see that? Sweet as that. Let's go back to the next one. Let's go back to our cost incurred. Equal to sign. Click on this. Multiply by 550. Press enter. Good. The next one equal to. We'll click on this. Multiply by 550. Enter. Now you know what to do, right? Good. Come here. Drag this. Perfect. Then let's go for the price per sack. So let's go back to next. We'll go to equal to sign. This multiply by what? 550. Perfect. 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 And I will drag this over to get the other ones. Okay. So now I'll go back to the next one. I'll go back to the next one equal to this multiply by 550. Perfect. Then I'll come here, I'll drag this one over. Okay, now don't worry about the rest. I'm going to explain that all that later on. Now how do we change this euro to naira? Don't worry, just highlight every single thing I do here. Then go back to your number launcher, click on it, go back to currencies. Good. Under currencies, you look for your country own. I think we have naira, single naira sign, but we don't want this one. We want the NGN. So we scroll down to the end. They will start coming up small. Okay, good. See it over here, NGN. Perfect. Whoa, we did it. Okay, so to God be the glory, we have gotten our calculation ready. So now see all the calculations have been converted now to naira. You understand? From euro to naira. Okay, so now let us see. There's another question we are being asked here. Okay, they say plot a two-dimensional bar chart using countries and the quantity exported as the legendary and labels respectively. Format this. So what that asks us here is we need to do a two-dimensional bar chart. So let's go back to Excel and let's achieve that. Okay, now how do we do charts? Now let me bring it down so you can see. Okay, now how do we do charts on Excel? Very, very simple. Now to do charts on Excel, very, very simple. Now we have to they say between the countries and the quantity exported. So we highlight the countries first. Hold your control, then highlight the exported. Okay, the quantity exported. Then we'll go over to insert. Under insert, we'll go over to recommended charts. Now there are three ways we can actually represent, but they said we should use our two-dimensional bar chart. So we're going to use this one. So we're going to click OK. So now automatically this is our chart right here. This is our chart. Congratulations if you have made up to this section. Congratulations, because from this point on everything are easy. So at this point now you can actually separate the chart on its own by pressing F11 on the first key row of your keyboard. You see now you have separated the chart, but though it is still in the worksheet, but you can actually see the chart very big and obvious here. So guys, thank you so much for sticking through. I love you. I would love to bring more updates for you and how to be able to work on Excel. Excel is simple, it's not hard.